Mastering your emotions in trading, the skill that separates winners from losers, you can have the best strategy in the world, the best charts, the best indicators, the best setups. But if you cannot control your emotions, you will lose money. I guarantee it. Today, we are talking about trading psychology, the most underrated and most important skill in all of trading. This one is going to change the way you think. Welcome back to Alpha Breakout Lab 0 to First Trade Series. This is episode 4, and we are getting into the deep end today, trading psychology and emotional mastery. More traders fail because of emotions than because of bad strategies. More money is lost to fear and greed than to bad analysis.
Why emotions destroy traders. A trader has a solid strategy. Their first trade works perfectly. They make $200. They feel amazing. They take a larger position on their next trade. That one loses $300. Now they're desperate to make it back. They take another trade, a bad one, and lose $200 more. The strategy wasn't the problem. The emotions were the problem. Trading activates the same parts of your brain as gambling. When you win, your brain releases dopamine. When you lose, fight or flight kicks in. These biological responses are terrible for trading. The 4 emotional enemies: fear, greed, overconfidence, and discouragement. Fear exits winners early, causes FOMO entries at bad prices, holds losers too long, and stop you from entering a trade. I have personally missed out on several big wins because of my anxiety. It happens, but you can overcome it with practice. Greed makes you break position sizing rules and take outsized risks. In the beginning of your trading career, you will hold a trade too long thinking that the trade will run back up. But with experience, you will learn how good news will affect a stock's price action and when to sell. Before I continue, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you can get notifications when new videos drop. You don't want to miss the next episode 22, Knowing When to Sell. Knowing when to sell is more important than knowing when to buy. Overconfidence. You win a few trades and suddenly you think you can't lose. You overtrade. You skip your rules. Then one bad trade wipes out a week of gains. This is the most dangerous emotion to a trader. You become too relaxed and start losing money because you know you can make it back. Making that money is harder when you are not in the right frame of mind. Stay focused. Discouragement. Lose a few trades and suddenly you want to quit. You abandon your strategy before it has time to work. Every great trader has a losing streak. The ones who win, stay. Believe in yourself and the strategy. Fear, greed, overconfidence, and discouragement all breed chaos for your trades, but you can overcome them all if you use this strategy. The trading plan. Have a plan before the market opens and write it down before the market opens. What setups will you take? What is your maximum loss for the day, which should be $250 since you are new to trading? The daily loss limit. Decide before you start exactly how much you're willing to lose. Hit that number. Stop trading for the day. The pause rule after any losing trade. Take a 5-minute break before placing another trade. It allows you to reset your emotions and clear your mind. Journaling. Write down not just what you traded, but how you felt. This helps to identify your emotions and control those emotions. Just to recap, write your plan before the market opens. Set a maximum loss for the day. After a big loss, stop trading for the day. And last, track every trade and how it made you feel. Following these rules will help you win. Emotional control only comes with practice. You cannot read your way to emotional mastery. You cannot watch enough YouTube videos. You have to experience the emotions in real or simulated trading conditions and practice choosing discipline over reaction every single time. The goal is not to eliminate emotions. That's impossible. The goal is to make decisions based on your plan, not your feelings. Emotional mastery is the final frontier of trading success. Most traders focus entirely on strategy and ignore psychology. And that's exactly why most traders fail.
You know the 4 emotional enemies. You have practical tools to fight them. Start developing your emotional awareness today in your paper trading. Before I continue, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you can get notifications when new videos drop. Don't forget to stick around for the next video, Lesson 21, Knowing When to Sell.